How to only see friends' post on Instagram. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and just make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Once inside the Instagram app, on your home feed, you can see there's Instagram logo appear in the top left corner of your screen. Now all you have to do is tap on the Instagram logo and a drop down menu will appear. From the drop down, you can see following and favorites. Tap on the following. This shows posts only from people you follow in chronological order, newest to oldest. Now you can simply scroll down and check your friends' post. You can also add best friends or favorite creators to your favorite list and simply tap on the Instagram logo and tap on the favorites to see just their post in order. So that is it. Now you are only seeing posts from your friends in the order they were posted, no algorithm. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.